In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter home energy tax credits on Turbotax. Let's dive into the process and make sure you have all the tools you need to get those valuable credits. First, you'll want to navigate to the Turbotax official site. This is your starting point for entering all your tax information, including those energy credits. Once you're on the site, click on the sign in option. This allows you to access your personal tax information securely, so go ahead and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding, but today we're assuming you're ready to go. Now, when you've successfully signed in, head over to the Turbotax homepage. This is where you can access all the different sections related to your taxes for the current year. It's a fresh way to get a bird's eye view of your tax situation for 2024. From here, look out for the section labelled 2024 taxes and click on it. This will take you into the specific area where you can work on this year's tax return, an essential step for getting everything submitted correctly. Inside your 2024 tax session, you'll see a tab labelled Federal. This tab is crucial because it deals with all your federal tax information, which includes the home energy credits. Click on it to access the relevant section. Once you've opened the federal section, the next stop is deductions and credits. This is the area where you typically find various options to reduce your taxable income by taking advantage of eligible deductions and credits you qualify for. Within this deductions and credits section, there should be a part titled Your Home. Since we're focusing on energy credits linked to home improvements, this is the category that covers them. Select your home, which will then reveal further detailed options, among them the home energy credits. Finally, click on Home Energy Credits. Here, you can start entering specific information about the energy saving improvements you've made to your home in the past year, whether it's solar panels, energy efficient windows, or other upgrades. Make sure to have your documentation handy, like receipts or proof of purchase, as you might need details like costs and installation dates. This process helps ensure you accurately report your expenses and maximize the credits you're eligible for. Remember, correctly inputting this information could lead to significant savings on your tax bill, reflecting the improvements you've made towards a more energy efficient home. By following these steps, you've set yourself up to properly claim home energy tax credits using TurboTax. Feel free to go over any sections again to confirm everything is entered correctly. Thanks for watching, and here's to making your tax season a little bit easier.